What will be the problem?
Which problem? You hear anybody they cry?
No, sir, but now as you take, shout my name.
So now you will tell me how to call your name. Come on, my friend. My baby. Mess her dress up.
Hi.
Get this thing right.
God forbid. Sorry, you want toilet room? But okay. She for no supposed mess for parlor now. She for enter toilet. What if visitor just come in now?
No blockhead.
Oh God.
Ah, idiot.
Thank you, man.
You dey craze?
Sometimes.
Come on, go get this food. Try and clean it up. Idiot.
Thank you, sir.
Like. Sorry, my dear. No, this they don't have sense. They're not good. What do you mean that?
Mob.
Huh?
Mob.
To tell you waiting.
I want mobile.
You want mobile?
Yes, sir.
So if I leave you now, you go say you won't put your hand for there.
No, not the mob.
Come on, shut.
Sorry, sir.
Dummy. God day.
Okay.
Every day, if I dey drink for night, I dey see you near prison.
Okay, why now?
God day, I dey see you near prison.
You go dey take permission.
I dey see you near prison.
They take permission before you see me.
No enter prison for real life. I dey see you near prison for my dream.
Okay, but if supposed to they take permission.
Just shut up. Who dey knock there?
Like I check now.
Not check. Stay. Idiot. You know, these people who will borrow money
Okay.
from family.
Now one madman did knock for door. One madman like that. Hey.
Come.
Now me this year like mom they come up now. Huh?
Tell us what you do.
Now the employment I come now.
Which employment? And they talk to you this afternoon, you say make I get out. Which employment you come for night? Every day you go to find fault, they find fault. They find people, they pity you. And they talk to you for afternoon, you tell me to make I get out. See, and I take that rubbish from anybody.
You go give me the job I mean, they give me.
This is your poverty mentality, I don't want it. You go take and go.
How are you?
One of those rooms for boys' quarter. May you sleep there.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow you interview him.
Okay, sir.
I don't want sentimental. Interview him. If you don't qualify for the job, send him out.
Oh, yeah, stand up, maybe they go.
You want any rubbish?
Stand up and let us go.
Why don't you do interview for night?
Which interview you want for night?
Stand up, follow me.
All those, you teach a village, wake up for night, go to peace. If that dog catch you, anything where you see, remain inside there.
What are you going to do? I'm going to do. Cheers. Very good. Hi.
Stand up. Follow me.
Who is this?
Kentus. Go. You see all these people, they use them, borrow money from my family, so I cannot throw them away. You understand?
What is that?
Come on. Shut up.
Me.
Shut up.
Okay, shut up. You know me, sir?
Now, question number 1. You don't do gate man work before?
Who you insult? Huh? Who you insult? I don't know about this nonsense question where they ask me. What I can do na GM work?
Oh.
Not for mine.
Okay, sorry, Mr. GM. Where your certificates?
For what?
Certificate, where you take on look for work?
No, they get certificate for this kind of thing. I'm maybe a certificate by myself.
So you don't get certificate?
Make I tell you. If na joke, they take me joke, I'll go tell me to make sack you.
Hey! I die. I die. I die. Look, be very careful. Be very careful. No make me vex. If you make me vex, I will just go tell Oga say you no qualified to do the job.
Vex.
Huh?
Vex. If you vex, I will beat you. And if I vex, I will melt you.
Okay.
Who will be?
Okay.
Shut up.
Okay. You pass. You pass. Come, make we just go inside. Go tell Oga say you don't pass the interview.
Abi?
And you don't pass out. It's market. Kentikos, the man from Babylon.
Babylon boss.
I salute you. A man look like
Yes, so you there. What you got?
Dog food.
Open up this. Dog. Dog, don't watch about.
This one self small. See, sometimes I dey kill one big fowl for the dog. Enough fowl will get some suck and fat for body.
You bless them with the grace,
Wait till you come bring that one. No, why you come dey curse us now?
Me will be like this, I never see this guy in chop. Now dog gonna prepare this and go, man, I go give up. Anyway, no problem. When Mentus get up, we'll go settle that one.
See as your mouth dey run.
He not concern you.
When Mentus wake up, see as they call the name like say you with an mate. No let Oga sack you from here.
So what are you?
Who they make?
Oga.
God day.
Oga sir.
All this place they dirty now. I just dey pay you for nothing.
Okay, my mind is there, but I want to attend to the dog first. Then I go come attend to the ground.
Please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
No, attend to the dog. Dog before you. Menti.
And you not get work, abi?
Menti, mon man. So, Afa.
Your hair correct? No. Are you mad? You well? You well?
Nobody they talk to.
Yes. You want to lose your job? Now I pity you. Give you this work. I know look your condition before I give you this work. I know they use my work play. I know they use and do friendship.
I know they do my work well.
Let me the comment is I be your mate.
You don't change it.
My friend, I be your guy. When you see me, you greet me, salute me.
Hey, let's see that, you know, one enough for day. When I see you, I'll greet you. Greet you well. Abi? Igwe.
Better.
Igwe. Thunder fire you there.
You see what thing?
Just because I do GM work for you.
I don't blame you. Very soon you leave your work.
Wait, make I ask you. Why you give dog that to meat, that to fish?
Why dog no go chop 2 fish?
Dog. You never see me chop something like that for you?
The work with that dog they do, you they do am.
That dog? Where in the day? Not my colleague.
Now your colleague, but now your senior colleague. Oh, you think I don't know? For your mind, I don't know. Every night you lie down there snoring. When the dog they run up and down. You think I don't know? For your mind, now the same promotion I go to give you now. If you don't know from today, that dog now your senior.
Now let me do better fish.
Hey, God day. Where is it?
What do you want to tell them?
From today, I don't want to see meat for your soup again. Any day I see meat for your soup, you will lose your work. God will lose his work.
You know that you go be. Say God they call the separate me and you for ground, and now you the ground.
No, you.
And I know you.
I will sack you.
I know you well. If you sack me, call me bastard. Idiot. I don't know you well. Don't sack me now. That's why I don't register my name for that gate.
I love you.
You're supposed to love me. After all this is what I do for you. If you don't love me, you know say God will punish you. Love is sweet when there's money. Where is this foolish boy? God day! God day! Pour my prayer!
Okay. I think I'll be. What do you want your humble servant to do for you?
What did they find for outside?
Okay, I attend to the dog.
Dog. This man come. I hope you know they follow that dog dragging food.
Okay, my name no be dog day. My name na God day. And I feel that they go feed the dog now.
Every time I deal with dog, every time I go attend to dog. In the sick.
Now I feel that they feed the dog.
Get me that Bubu Yaya get man.
Bring him here. Okay, sir.
I'm going to show that idiot, say I pass him.
Honey, you need to deal with that man. Seriously. So he can take this job very serious.
Now I will go so now. You will see what I'll do now.
Menti. Hello, Menti. Today is your birthday.
What do you do that?
And so they say they come.
Now you go sit down. Come on, get top from that.
What do you do that? And even the way they hear music, they do something.
Get down!
Tell me what you want to tell me.
You the craze?
You mean that?
You the high drink?
Shut up, my friend. We can get up.
Me?
I was you now, idiot. You mad?
You the craze? Take your dirty ass to that place. Don't worry. Come on, get up.
I mean, don't do this.
Something do you. For this kingdom, I be king. You na servant. You hear so? God day. Okay. Go get me those king.
Sir?
The king.
Oh, thank you, sir.
If you know what's good for you, just go lie down there. Now to receive your punishment. You dey hear me? Go lie down there to collect your punishment.
Okay.
Thank you. Go lie down there.
So you want to kill me? You want to flog me?
Not be me won't kill you.
You want to flog me?
Now my baby go flog you. I won't make the team pay you well. No, you say I pass you.
So you want to take woman disgrace me?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Baby, take. Go lie down there.
No, honey. Don't let me do it here. So that our table won't damage. Let me take him to the back.
Okay. When you get space. Good.
Let's go.
Yeah? We tell you to lie down, lie down. We tell you to lie down, lie down.
I'll follow you.
Yes, follow me.
Let's go with me, Abi.
Yes.
No.
Come. Come. Where you? Go follow.
Sir?
Follow me. Make sure say you know it's good for them.
Okay, sir. Kentikos. Come. This one where you leave your office. Come here, the dancer just go. Oga go kill you.
Oga never come. Never come.
Never come. Yeah, I take me.
Man not die, man not die.
Abi.
I gonna go me take it.
Hey.
And once man they die.
Abi o.
So you see the enjoy for that here.
This one is small thing.
Abi?
See, now me be the man of the house. If Oga and Madam no dey, na me.
For that business.
I'm telling you. Hi.
Come. And what be that?
Point of order. One of the wife.
You no go vex.
Who vex?
Mama dey tell me say don't fit carry am more.
Which Oga?
You no go fit.
This Oga wey dey up. This Oga wey get this house. This na the strongest of all the women wey dey for this house. Oga dey fear am like a diabo. Sometimes sef dey be Oga like make it dey answer am sir. I dey tell you.
You know say that thing flog me. Oh God. Because I did do for a boy.
Yeah, so.
She must pay.
Pay waiting. Shut up, bro. You know if you do anything. See, Oga fit sack you because of that. I swear.
Me?
Yes.
I'm not gonna kill him.
Kill who? Shut up, bro.
I will kill him.
I say I can kill him. I kill him. That's also mad if I be wrong. Why you not kill him the time when Oga ask him to train you?
I just dey look am, you know say that kind of thing. But you be like say you don't know who I be.
Who you be?
Come. This music. What be the name?
Where we just dance now. Yori.
Yori. It's sweet though.
Very fine music.
Who play am?
Who play am? Na Yori.
Yori.
Yori play.
Okay, Yori play Yori.
Yori, yes.
Okay.
Hey, that music
It's sweet.
And the plate even make I still put am. Make we.
No.
I just want to make it start from beginning, huh? Look before you know if you sweet you make it begin from beginning. Why? This one, you go. These are new style. Get it.
Nobody can love you the way I do. I'm with you, my love. With you, everything is very well. Your love, it makes my heart to do. Nobody can love you the way I do. I'm with you, my love. Same thing, way you make me feel like saying you be my wife. Now the same thing, whipping, they make my feet don't say I waste my time. Now because I respect you, girls, every night and day. I pray for you because of you. I dey fly like butterfly, my love. And this thing make people they say I don't lose my sex, my baby. But nobody can stop me from loving you. I'm with you, my love. Do you everything is really your love? They make my heart to do yori. Nobody can love you the way I do. I'm with you, my love. Do you everything is really your love? They make my heart to do yori. Nobody can love you the way I do. I'm with you, my love. You see the way all the things they flow. It's so much to see how they love you so. Yeah, they suspect say they know. Till you be the person when they make me feel. Now they say you are the blessing, and that's why you must.
Sorry, sir. Welcome, sir. No, nobody asked of you. Even your food, I thought I arranged your food since yesterday. Nearly cool. But I want them again. I want them for freezer.
Now this idiot, Satan, now deceive me, leave my office.
Really?
GM.
You? How much did you say cement?
Before I've been now.
No. Cement. Bag of cement.
That is full
man.
bag. I've been a half bag, sir.
I've been 4 man.
Those blocks where your papa die leave. How much you buy cement with him mold down?
That time. Tell her.
No.
My friend, take up. Maybe like sack.
Sorry.
At the talk of your friends, will commit, you won't commit another one.
What are this in there?
On the here now field.
Okay, may I go my post?
Out. See, food, forget it for the next 2 days.
No pass here though.
And you?
Sir, I don't. Your food.
Me and you don't become mate.
Sir, no, sir.
No, now. Co-owner, Abi.
No, sir, I clean up in the clean.
Co-owner.
When you come, sorry, sir.
Me and you don't become co-owner of house.
No, sir.
Don't. If you touch anything there.
Sorry, sir.
If you touch anything there.
Sorry, sir.
Don't shake that thing.
Sorry, sir.
Out!
Sorry, sir. Your food, I don't.
Get out!
Got it. Got it. Why this boy? Why this boy this guy weekend? Why you suffer me like this? Huh? You know I never chop this. God, come on, my message. You get message.
What is the message we want message me? And talk and fast because I did busy for the house.
Got it. I don't want to make you forget in the house. Na boy, now you pay for this house. Why the wickedness like this? Huh? You know, say it ain't easy to tell men to make it stack. You go obey me.
Yeah. Okay, until that time come. But now just give me a chance, and you do something for it.
I also want to wait. For your mind, only you they eat. They starve me, and you like them. Since I never eat, and they hungry, you won't give me food.
Because my office, my kitchen, your office, right there. So just give me time.
May I tell you something? Make I tell you now when you don't come outside. For you to enter that house, you go give me food there now. If you don't give me food now, you go die here now.
Okay, come home.
These two doors will come out.
Now play, they play. Come on. Don't try me. Not just try me. And my breakery and entry, they try to commit so. And I go tell Oga one time, he go sack you.
God day. God day.
I dey hear you.
No go make me spend my power.
What happen?
God day.
I dey hear you. You know they go anywhere. Let's see. You know they go anywhere. Come get man. No be oga dey blow horn for gate since. You dey here dey ignore am. Gate man, no where they talk to.
Who they call gate man?
You know be gate man.
Your papa thunder fire you for once. Make thunder do this work when they fire you. I mean they call gate man, Abi. You go open it now. Me at this strike.
You dey strike. You dey strike, Abi. Okay, dey strike now. No, dey strike.
Young man, what's happening here?
Okay, welcome. Now this gate man, he no come gree open gate for you since when you dey horn. He talk saying dey strike.
Kentus, you dey see who stand before you? You dey see who stand for your presence?
You dey Chris. You know the yes at this strike. You know hear them.
So you mean you dey here since I didn't horn for gate? You no come open gate? So till I open the gate by myself, I'm talking to you. You dey tell me say you dey strike. I dey owe you. Talk to me.
Don't they bother me with questions, my friend.
Really? I say.
Okay, no be only that one. If you see wetin happen for this house today, if no be say I dey agile, it for scatter the whole house.
My house.
I say, I say now I use sense, come overpower am, come rearrange am, come arrest the situation.
I say, very good. You don't tire for this work, Abi? No. Answer me. You don't tire for this work. Now let me ask you a question. They send you to come command this house for my hand? Answer me. I do bad, so say I see my friend when they suffer, I give them work.
Now your papa they suffer.
Really?
Your papa and they suffer.
Those bulala I asked you to buy, you still have them?
Yes,
very good. Just bring them out. Put small pepper for the body and keep them. I need them now.
Make I add salt.
As for you, come inside. Your own not too much. Today I will show you pepper. Let me have the cane.
Okay, sir.
Mop up.
One beat your boy. Make I see you raise hand or ordinary hand. How much more bottle? How much?
Today, now where? Everything go end today. Whether you get this house, now we get this house, today we settle it. Yeah. Really? Very good. Thank you. My people say if you never put toad inside hot water, you know they know say water there 2 types. Today you will know 2 types of water. What is it? What did I never do for you? You live in my house collect my money for salary, chop my food, do my work. You said no. It will not happen. It will not happen.
Point of correction.
What?
Medus. Yes. Salary. Yes. I collect. Collect it. House. Yes. Because the gate where they are not going to be that place. Food. I want to chop your food. How do you eat them? That's why I go strike.
What do you mean by that?
This shit just don't give me food.
Young man?
Or can I lie you? I dey give am food.
For 2 weeks.
I dey give am food well.
You dey give me food. Why they go strike?
Okay. Assuming he not they give you food, you tell me.
Where I go for tell you?
No. You tell me.
Where I go see you tell you? You dey there for motor. Drive pass. Wine up.
I be air.
Even the good number they give you, they can collect them.
So I suppose come there, come to worship you.
Where I go tell you? When I enter here now, this is where I come in and the second time they enter here.
Kneel down.
The first one na quarter, second one na quarter.
Kneel down.
So make you kneel down.
Man, I did that because I can't see this idiot food. Now you give me food. You don't you can't turn the case now. They judge injustice.
Young man, kneel down.
Me, I kneel down.
Yes.
Over my dead body.
You say what?
It's not possible.
Really?
Yes.
Hey, lie him down.
Touch me. Touch me. No, near me. Hey.
What do you mean that?
Hey. Up. Near me. Hey.
Hey. Know where you the face.
Okay.
Touch me. Hey.
Don't let me double your punishment.
Excuse me, sir. Please, I won't make one suggestion. I go suggest make you forgive him.
Hey.
He no do wrong. Sir? Sir?
Why they shout like masquerade?